Dear students, so now I will give you a brief summary of The Ant and the Cricket, adapted from Aesop's Fables. The poem The Ant and the Cricket is a fable. What is a fable? A fable is a traditional story that teaches us a moral lessons. Usually the characters in fables are animals. This poem also teaches us a very important moral lessons of being industrious like an ant. It also teaches us we should not be like the cricket. This poem is about a cricket, an insect who found himself in trouble as the winter season arrived. ये स्टोरी एक क्रिकेट के बारे में है जो अपने आप को मुसीबत में पाता है जब वो विंटर सीजन आते हैं. He found he had nothing to eat, nor he had cared to make a shelter for himself. So he decided to go to an ant for help. तो उसने सोचा कि अब मैं ant से हेल्प ले लेता हूँ, चींटी से. He wished to borrow some grain from her and to spend a day or two in her hole during the rainy days. His intention was to pay her back later on. उन्होंने सोचा मैं अभी एंड से हेल्प ले लेता हूँ और आफ्टरवर्ड्स लेटर मैं उसको पे कर दूँगा. However, the ant did not help the cricket. उस एंट ने मना कर दिया कि मैं आई विल नॉट हेल्प यू. She told him without mincing words that it was rule of ants that they neither borrowed nor lent. ना वो लेती हैं ना वो किसी को कुछ देती हैं. She asked the cricket in astonishment if he had not saved anything for the winter, to which the cricket replied in negative. She asked him the reason. He replied that he was so busy enjoying his life, he did not bother to save or put by anything. The ant taunted him to go and dance during the winter also. So, in conclusion, it can be said that we must be responsible for our future. हम जो भी करते हैं उसके लिए हम ही responsible हैं. We must not just spend our good times idly. जब हम हमारे पास हम अपना पूरा टाइम idly वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. We must also secure our future against the bad times. So मैं आपको आप थोड़ी सी डिटेल में समझा देती हूँ. दिस वॉज अ शॉर्ट समरी. दिस इज़ अ पोएम अबाउट अ सिली यंग क्रिकेट एंड एन एंट. ये एक क्रिकेट और एंट की स्टोरी है. क्रिकेट वॉज ओनली सिंगिंग ऑल डे लॉन्ग एंड यूज टू इन्जॉय हिज गुड टाइम. सारा दिन वो गाना गाता था और इन्जॉय करता था. ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन ही डिडंट प्लान एनीथिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर. उसने पूरे कभी भी फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ भी प्लान नहीं किया. यूज टू डांस, यूज टू मेक मैरी. व्हेन विंटर अराइव, जब सर्दियाँ आई, क्रिकेट कुड नॉट फाइंड अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ फूड टू ईट. उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था खाने के लिए. सो द क्रिकेट थिंक्स ऑफ गोइंग टू माइजर आंट टू बोरो फूड एंड टू गेट शेल्टर. तो उसने सोचा कि मैं आंट के पास जाके फूड और शेल्टर लेता हूँ. देन द क्रिकेट नॉक्ड ऑन द एंट्स डोर आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प. उसने एंट से बोला मुझे आपकी हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. द एंट गिव्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन ऑफ लाइफ ड्यूरिंग इट्स कन्वर्सेशन विद द क्रिकेट एंड सेज that ants neither borrow from somebody nor lend to somebody. उसने बोला नहीं तो हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं ना हम किसी से कुछ लेते हैं. ants are hard working creatures. और आपने देखा है ants कितनी हार्ड वर्किंग होती हैं. and save for the future. The ant asked the cricket what it was doing during happier times. कि अब आप क्या कर रहे थे. On hearing the cricket indulge in dancing and singing and making merry, the ant asked the cricket to try dancing and singing once again during rough times. So, this is the summary of the chapter. Go through the poem. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? So now he has nothing to eat. At last, by starvation and famine, Big Bolt, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant to see if, to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Says the ant to the cricket, I'm your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never land. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Fox called this a fable. I will warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs, some have 2. So, go through the poem. I have given you the summary of the poem. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.